Hello. Today I'm so excited because I've got a new kitchen baby. You know me and my kitchen gadgets. Yeah, you see that. Do you see the new addition? Those of you who are observant. So I've got this new baby. Big ups to TFC. Yeah. Oh, I love it. So this was my birthday surprise, and it's become my new kitchen baby, and today I'm going to teach you how to use it. So it's called the Ninja Foodi. So I'm going to teach you how to do the pressure test with your Ninja Foodi, and I'm going to do an unboxing so you know all the bits and pieces that come with it. But once you have it and you want to use it, this is the first thing you have to do. This is the pressure cover. My cousin has got a different one. I think it's the, don't let me guess, I'll ask her and tell you when I'm doing the unboxing. And with that one, the cover, when you turn it this way, the pressure gauge comes off. So if you've got that, you need to be very careful so you don't get it open. But thankfully, big up to TFC again, this one doesn't come off. I'm so excited. Okay, now closing it up. It's quite tricky if you don't get the hang of it, but if you do it this way, it makes it so easy to close. So you just align it this way. This is the Ninja, so you hold it this way whilst the Ninja faces you. Then you align these two, this arrow and that. So once it's aligned, you close it clockwise, and that's it. It's closed. Simple. Why it's important to do the pressure test? Just for you to know whether it works. Because if it's not working, then you're not pressure cooking, and it will take hours, and we want to cut down the hours of cooking. So you need 750 ml of water. I'm going to use my clean water from my alkaline machine. You can just use ordinary water, but it's my baby, so I want to put proper water in it. So I'm using the clean water from the hanging machine, and you need 750 ml. So if you don't have this, please just use any clean water you have. Once you remember, I taught you how to close it clockwise. You just turn it anti-clockwise, and once it hits here, that's it. So, and make sure you got this in it. That's where the water is going to go. Let me take it out so you see how it is if it's not in. If it's this way, you never pour water into this. It's electric. You don't want water in your electric stuff like that. So the pot goes in, and in goes our water. It's got graduations in it, but it doesn't say. From the manual, it says 750 ml, and the gradation shows only liters and cups. So I used my measuring cup to give the 750 ml. Remember, we align these two. Once it's aligned, you turn clockwise and presto. Now let me turn it on. So if it's not in use, it's on vent. Once you close it, you take it to seal. You push the button, and once it's in place, it's wobbly, but trust it, it's working. It's on seal now, and we come here and we set the function. We are pressure cooking, so you press on function and you turn this button and it goes to pressure. And the temperature, press the temperature button. It says high, it can go high or low. So you press on the timer, then you can change it. So anti-clockwise, it's going lower, and clockwise, it turns up. So we need to decrease it to 2. You set it on 2, and when you set it on 2, then you start it. And before I start, it takes some time for the pressure to build up. And once the pressure builds up, there's a countdown, so it counts down from 2 down to 0. And when I tried it, it took about 8 minutes for the pressure to build up. So trust the process. Don't say it's not working. So I'm going to turn it on. So you just press the start button. And once you see this, it's the pressure building up. Just leave it. So that's the countdown. So it's the pressure has built up and now it's done. So it counts down, and once it reaches 0, then we can open the vent up. So once it goes to 0, done. It tells you it's done. And now you have to be cautious. I have to open the vent. So we put it on seal. So I have to open it. It's the pressure coming out. So you have to let all the pressure come out. The sound is reducing. And once it stops, then we open it and we take out whatever you pressure cook. So this button goes up once the pressure has built up, and once it's done, it goes down after all the pressure has been released. This button, some are red, mine is silver. All the pressure has come out, and remember, you turn it anti-clockwise to open, and it shows you. And yeah, this has been my baby for the time being. So I'll be bringing you more yummy dishes. This is amazing. So it does air crisp, you can grill, you can bake or roast, dehydrate, pressure cook, steam cook, slow cook. You can do your yogurt, you can do your mac and cheese, you can bake a cake in it, you can do your fish pie. It's versatile. We are going to cook jollof in it, rice in it. Oh, Sauté